Spurs. Jersey number 29, Miss Murata. Jersey number 24, Lex Andrade. Jersey number 8, Ron Chan. Jersey number 3, Gerard Murata. Jersey number 22, Mr. Oy Cabrera. Jersey number 13, Leo Vergara. Jersey number 12, Orlando Ayano. Jersey number 28, Lexon. Jersey number 42, Jordan Marcela. Jersey number 5, Omar Castellon. And all I need is Santa Claus first. Para naman sa team, Boston Celtics, jersey number 18, Clemente Fuentes. Jersey number 11, Mr. Edward Masvela. Jersey number 2, Mr. Jerome Santos. Jersey number 27, Christian Nibuya. Jersey number 20, Mr. Wendell Tabola. Jersey number 14, Yes Achuela. Jersey number 17, Austin Apollo. Yan po, mga tulad sa San Antonio ay Boston. Yan ba? Yan po ba? Jersey number 45, RB Gonzalez. Spurs. Ball possession. Napunta sa Spurs. Jersey number 24, Mula Bertuno. Santos, putting shot. Coach G, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. There's a foul. It's fouled. Jersey number 28. First personal foul. First team foul. Free throw, pasok. Malawa. Number 2. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 20 for 3. Ibang by Santos. Jersey number 27. Sibuyan. Nasa sa gitna. Pop. Nice move by Jersey number 14. Vicious score natin 4-2. 4-0 run by PSA Boston. Asira, pull up a 3. Yes, sir. 3. Jersey number 5. Asira. Sibuyan, silly play. Mr. Joel, nice pass. Jersey number 28. Takes off. It's over. Good luck, pinasa, kulang. Number 2, jersey number 14. 6-3, 3-point lead.
Maganda yung reminder mo kanina. Ha? Maganda yung reminder mo kanina.
Hungary, kulang. Pabigay. Wala na. Desay Boston.
Meron yan.
Remaining time, 7 minutes and 20 seconds of the first quarter. Harvey Gonzalez. To jersey number 27. To Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 ngayon. Pass to jersey number 3. For 2 point. 1 point lead by DSA Boston. Isa na lang. Ganda pasa to number 2. By jersey number 2. Nice play by jersey number 27. Steve by Joseph Ken. Bitawan niyo muna. Ang balik pa rin kay Tetsu niyo muna. By jersey number 24. Number 2 points. Steve by DSA Spurs. Nice pass. Jersey number 3. Rebound by Santos. Pass too much lead. Steve by jersey number 48. Pass it on. Setting for 3. Short. Sa kanya pa yung offensive rebound. Pass to jersey number 24 for 3. Mahina. Santos din. Setting play. Tayo kasama pero lumayang po. Nandun si jersey number 14. Coming for 2 points for jersey number 14. Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds sa ating first quarter. 14 shot clock. Here's number 42. Ramsey, give the ball. Pass to jersey number 45, Gonzalez. Set it for 3, lumabas. Lumabas na zero. To jersey number 28. Nice play to jersey number 3. To number 2. Change paper tayo. Lumang na ang Spurs ng isang puntos. 11-10. Rebound by jersey number 28. Jersey number 38, jersey number 3. There's a foul spotted. Jersey number 2. I'm out by jersey. This a Spurs. 14. Jersey number 29, kasi wala. Wala tayo pa. Rebound by Mr. Joel. Who's jersey number 20? Jersey number 20. Also Vasco. Set up for 3. Malakas. Napunta mo lang kami Mr. John for 3. Lumabas yung bola. Jersey rebound. Jersey number 20. There's a foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 27 holding from 2 free throw. With jersey number 28. First personal foul, jersey number 27 and second team foul. With a free throw. What's up? The jumper is ready. Number 2, with jersey number 28. Remaining time 2 minutes and 25. Coach D for 3. Headlock tayo. 30 all. Here's number 28. Pass to Mr. Sarah right away. Malakas. Fancy rebound by here's number 42. To Mr. Jan. Can to shoot. Mr. Nasura. Rebound by here's number 14. Pass to Coach D. Coach D yan. Pass by here's number 2. Bumalo rin ang by Coach D. Grabe. Kaway ni Coach D. Two minutes and 30 seconds. Here's number 5. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. There's a foul. Who spotted? Jersey number 17, Coach D. First personal 30 foul. Fabric. Sige, pasok.
Napunta yung bola.
Ito lang free throw. Si Mr. Balseta. Here's number 42. With a free throw. Pasok. Jumpers ready.
Sa second quarter nila, itatry ko yung ano niya.
Wala. Rebound by jersey number 20. To Mr. Gonzalez. Coach D. Bumangga. Pulang. Malakas. Rebound by Mr. Pass to jersey number 28. Pull up for 3. For 3. Jersey number 28. Lamang ulit. At first, ng isang putos. Pass back. First of all, jersey number 42. 42, Mr. Balseta. Mr. Balseta. First personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul. Unang free throw. Pasok. Deadlock tayo. Number 2. One minute and 28 seconds. Fourteen shot clock. Mr. Jack for 3. Di ba jersey number 42? Numbers na yan. Wala pa rin. Sana pa rin bola. And to shoot. Tingnan sa jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. The 2. The jersey number 11. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. There's the number 42. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Two free throw with jersey number 14. Jumpers ready. 23 seconds. You're ready. Next. Seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. Meron tayong buzzer beater. Tingnan natin kung bakit. USA Boston first game for 3. Wala. Dito kay Santos. That's jersey number 20. Zay Allen. Delagoa, 24-2. Jersey number 20. Official score natin, 25-17. Lumayo, malabangan ng Boston. There's a foul. It's spotted jersey number 20. 2 free throw. Jersey number 42. Free throw. Connect. Jumpers ready. Number 2. Against number 42. Santos. Thomas D. Bola. Number 2. Against number 17. Jersey number 28, 7 play. 14 shot clock. Remaining. And to shoot. But shot for 3 na win. Ibang may jersey number 18, pass to Coach D Neo. Pass jersey number 11, nilabas naman. Bola. Fuentes. Bulan. Short. Offensive rebound. Sabrek. 12 to shoot. Sabrek. Coach D. Bula. Lucy Ward. Number 2. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 28, setting play. Jersey number 5. Nakatapos ko na ang USA Boston. Napunta kay jersey number 18. Jersey number 11. Those goals, napunta na pa ng daba, pero wala. There's a line violation. Wala ng Spurs. Turnover. Boston ball. 14 shot clock. Coach libre, break. Matake sa gitna, pinasa kay Jimmy Santos. Bumaliktad yung tira. Ng bola sa ring. Mr. Achwell. Kung super. Jersey number 5. 22-31. We just scored. USA Boston lead. Full shot clock. Bitawan niyo po. Napunta ko lang kay Jersey number 28. Bitawan. And over again. Ayan. Stop. Sabrek. Coach D. Sino magsasab? Pasok si jersey number 27. Nalabas na niya. Jersey number 11. Fuentes. Jersey number 27. Matake sa gitna ang bulag. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 5. Okay. Turnover again by this is Spurs. Winning time 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Starting second quarter. Fuentes. That's deep. Using board. Kalakas. Rebound by jersey number 42 to jersey number 5. Outlet pass to jersey number 28. Connect for 2 points. Official score natin 24-31. Santos. Big. Bola. Bitawan yung bola. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. 27-31. Time out. This is a Boston. Holding shot back. Fuentes. Number 2 by Mr. Fuentes. Jersey number 18. Nice pass. Kabila. Nabitawan. Isang nakabiling violation by jersey number 13. Mr. Vergara. Shots. Nasa the meron tayo isa. Foul, jersey number 18. It's a blocking foul. First personal foul by jersey number 18, Fuentes. Second team foul. Sab mo na. Jersey number 3, wait. Jersey number 20, number 3, shot. Ito na lang, wala pa rin. Line violation. Still goal. Apat lang, kalamangan. USA Boston. Same ball. 14 shot lang. Turnover. No basket. It's a foul. Jersey number 3. Holding foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Santos. Hula. No good. Rebound by jersey number 5. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Sa ating second quarter. Sintorano, jersey number 3. Quick on. Umaga. Nice defense by jersey number 17. This is jersey number 5. Time to shoot. Virginia. Setting play, pass to jersey number 45, bola for 3. Malakas. Posible rebound by jersey number 27. Bulat, wala. Napunta pa rin kay Mr. Gonzalez for 3. Time out. Dahil 3, Mr. Gonzalez. Time out tayo. Vergara. Advantage black ball. 58 seconds. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. 40 seconds remaining. Second. 25. Question for 3. Jersey number 17. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Jersey number 13. In the second quarter, official score 31. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 8. Nice defense. Meron tayong isang foul. Jersey number 18. First, jersey number 18. Fuentes, second personal. Wow, and first team foul. 14 shot lang. It's number 42. Nice pass to kay Santos. Libre. Here's number 28. Black Riders number 11. Turnover. Napunta ko lang ang jersey number 17. Linya. Yung jersey number 2 Santos Pay. Kaya ko na. Pensimiro na Fuentes. Using goal. Connect for 2 points. Yung jersey number 18. Fuentes. Here's number 28. Nice pass, jersey number 24, pero wala. Alatira, passing rebound by jersey number 28, connect for 2 points. Jersey number 28. Still the ball. Fuentes, coach D. Same time, 14 shot clock. Jersey number 11 for 3, short. Black ball. Jan for 3, wala. Rebound by Santos. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 17, turnover. Takas na siya. Jersey number 20. Remaining time 7 minutes and 28 seconds on the third quarter. Jersey number 42, there's a foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 20. 2 free throw. Jersey number 42. Nice pass. Umikot. Wala. Offensive rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 8. Block by jersey number 14. Block again. Napunta ko lang ito si outlet pass to Fuentes. And Big time out doon. Ang Spurs, official score natin 47. First number 5. First number 8 for 3. No good. Give up by Coach D. Outlet pass, jersey number 20. Pass jersey number 11. Going for 2 point. Jersey number 11. Lumalayo ang DSA Boston, el 2-point lead. Still 0. Still goes number 11. As jersey number 14. Zagreb. Wala pa rin ang Boston. Zagreb. Lalabas na muna si jersey number 8. Napasok si jersey number 3. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 5. No good lumabas sa bola. Iba by Fuentes. Pass to Coach D. Fuentes. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 14. Lumabas kay Fuentes. Pass to jersey number 11. Then to shoot. Asok doon. Ang Spurs. Asiro. Nice given by Coach D. Fuentes. More by Fuentes.
Santos.
Ay, Santos pala. Sorry. Jersey number 5, going for 2 point. Four minutes remaining, 14 shot now. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 5 for 3, malakas. Rebound by jersey number 14. Santos. Santos ngayon. Aras by jersey number 28. Pass to Coach D. Nice pass to Runner. Sayang na yung defensive rebound. Nandun si Santos. Santos ngayon. Pass to Coach D. Pull up for 2. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 28. Jersey number 28 ngayon. Jersey number 3. Stop it. Stop. Rebound by Coach D. Coach D ngayon. Crossover. Great. Layup. Number 2 by jersey number 17, Coach D. 55-39 official score. Jersey number 28 for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 14. That's jersey number 11. Coach D. Ito yung kasama. Back to jersey number 14. Matangay ko lamas. Rebound by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 ngayon. Coast to coast. To jersey number 42. There's spotted. Jersey number 18. Fuentes. Zagreb. Tayo. DSA Boston. Third personal foul, jersey number. Ay, naling pa rin tawag. And to shoot. Jersey number 22. Turnover. Black ball. And to shoot. Five to shoot. Bola. May Santos pa rin ang bola. Santos. Wala. There's a foul. Jersey number 27. Holding foul. 13 foul. Second personal foul. Jersey number 27. Jersey number 5 for 3. Jersey number 5. 44-55, official score. 55 seconds. And up, jersey number 20. $35 seconds. Jumbo. Boston ball. 27.8 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. Back-to-back 3 points. We just scored 47, 57. 10-point lead. Shot clock. There's number 28. There's number 28. 7-point lead. And there's a Boston. Shot clock. Nice pass. There's number 20. Turnover. Wala na. Nasa Boston. Here's number 28. 27. Good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Here's number 28. Goes to close. Good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 3. Wala. Good. Vergara, jersey number 28. There's a foul. Jersey number 27. 14 shot clock. Nice pass, jersey number 27, number 2 point. 61-50, back to 11-point lead. There's a foul, spotted, jersey number 20. Second personal foul, jersey number 20. Second team foul, free throw. Wala. Sabre. Jersey number 45 for green. Rebound by jersey number 5. 7-0. Jersey number 28. Set up for three. No good. Rebound by jersey number 27. Pass to Coach D. Coach D here. Nice pass to Santos. Wala na. This is Spurs. Foul! Meron tayo. Si Coach D. Pushing foul. It's a foul. Jersey number 17. Third personal foul. Jersey number 14. Sabre. Warning for penalty. Set number 3. Rebound by Coach D. Jersey number 45. Back to Coach D. Back to good size. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Pinasa sa labas. Wala na yung Spurs. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 3. Back by jersey number 14. Napunta bola kay Santos. Losing time. Jersey number 14. Almost there. Wait, wala. There's a foul. This foul, jersey number 8. John, do free throw. First personal foul, jersey number 8. And first team foul. Connect. Wala. Time out. Time out. They say Spurs. So na lang po ang time out nyo. They say Spurs. So foul. Jersey number 27. Two free throw. Valentina. And warning for foul out. Jersey number 27. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 14. Let's go Coach D. Jersey number 45, Gonzalez with 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Santos. Nasundot ni jersey number 3. Sabre. Jersey number 3 to number 2. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Fourteen shot na. 10 shot na. 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Jersey number 45, Mr. Gonzalez, penalty. And first personal foul, jersey number 45. And 54-62, official score. Numbers ready. Sayang sa rebound. 12 to shoot. Turnover.
Josh! Dito ka!
4 minutes remaining. Shot clock. And to shoot. It's a traveling violation. Jersey number 18, Mr. Fuentes. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 5, 57-62. Lima lang. Lima na lang ang pangalan ng Jersey Boston na magpapaglaban. Fuentes. Gonzalez. Santos. Was spotted. Jersey number 42, pushing foul. Third personal foul, jersey number 42. Sabre. For the shot, jumper's ready. Good. Rebound by jersey number 42. That's jersey number 5. Sarasira. Oh! Turnover! Pinasa sa labas. Under 2 minutes, dagdag lang tayo. Shot clock. Still, there's a rotate. There's a foul. Started. Jersey number 2, Santos. Second personal foul penalty. And 58-64. Santos, nalabas muna. Two minutes and 20 seconds. Jersey number 1 is also on. That's by jersey number 20 to jersey number 3. And tayo pa. Jersey number 17. Rushing foul. Hindi na si Coach Dean. Apat na yun si Coach Dean. Pang-apat na po. Tatlong foul niya sa fourth quarter. Yung penalty. Yung free throw. Ako. Apat na lang. The jumper's ready. Wala. Rebound by Coach D. Last 2 minutes. Let's see. Here we go. Jersey number 11. 14 shot clock. This is first. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Dapat na. Ganun laban. Naparata pa. Here's number 28. Good. Sting by Fuentes. Fuentes kaya. Oh my God. Looking for 2 point. 66-60. 1 minute and 29. May foul, Fuentes. Pushing foul, penalty. Ilan na si Fuentes? Apat na din si Mr. Fuentes. Pang-apat na. Warning for foul out. Walang free throw. 61-66. Jumpers ready. Ano yun? May basa?
Halftime break.
Yeah. 62-66, back to 4-point lead. There's a foul. Jersey number 3. Coach, upo muna po. Hindi ko 14 shot na, wala pa. Ay, sab. O, sab ready. 14 shot na. Take a shoot. 5 to shoot. 58 seconds. There's a foul. Jersey number 11 holding foul. Penalty. First personal foul. Jersey number 11. So, 63-66. Jumpers ready. Number 2, here's number 5. 64-66, 2-point lead. 50 seconds. And now, bola na. This is yours. 40 seconds. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. 20 seconds remaining. There's a foul. Jersey number 3. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul, jersey number 3. 18.6 seconds. It's a foul. Jersey number 8, penalty. 13.6 seconds. Penalty na, both teams.
Dito ka na, sa kabila.
Pag pumasok yan, time out ang Spurs. Spurs. 67-64, 13.6 remaining. And then laban. Resume Norte. Dalawang magkasama. Grabe ng creation. Turnover nagkabanggaan pa yung dalawang magkasama. Sayang yun. Pinagkamo yan. 6.4 seconds. Foul, jersey number 5. Penalty.
Yan pang hinawa.
Jersey number 5. First personal foul. Dalawang frito. Coach D. Dalawang frito. Relax na relax. Pasok. Walang kaba. Jumpers ready. 4.1 second. Pasok.
Ano pa ba?
May foul pa. Pinahal pa. Dino. There's number 11. There's number 11. Second personal foul. Penalty. Pasok. Pasok. 66-69. 0.6 second. Sobrang 0.6 second. Pasok. Dito pa, meron lang ng oras. Congratulations! This is Boston! Kayo. Paddy's League Finals Champion! Awarding tayo. Awarding tayo.